Are you someone with social media following or maybe even a student searching for a high-paying side hustle? Well, you'd be shocked to know that in either case, you can earn as much as $1,000 a month just as a beginner with affiliate marketing. Pretty exciting, isn't it? In a recent video, we learned about an affiliate marketing model known as CPA or cost per action marketing. But today's video is about affiliate marketing only. So better power up your brain's learning switch because you're certainly in for a knowledge-packed ride with this one. However, if you fail to grasp a term or a concept, don't be shy to hit replay and watch the whole video again, since an extra view sure never hurts anyone, does it? Also, you can always leave your questions in the comments below and I'll respond as soon as possible. Anyways, let's go ahead and cut straight to business and find out. What is affiliate marketing? Well, to put it into simple words, affiliate marketing is a type of online marketing where brands or companies pay publishers to promote their products and services on the internet. Most of the time, this payment is made in the form of commission as soon as a sale is achieved through the publisher's affiliate link. And the more sales a publisher can bring in, the more money they make. So the sale that not only makes the brand money, but pays a percentage to the publisher or affiliate as well, essentially putting both parties in a win-win situation. Now your question might be, how much money can one expect to make? And this is probably the best part about affiliate marketing because, well, it all depends. So the way the whole mechanism works is that publishers are given unique affiliate links to products that their social media, blog, website, or podcast might or might not be based on. Let's take me here as an example. As you all should know, my YouTube content is based on teaching money-making techniques and strategies to individuals like you. Thereby, the affiliate products I promote from time to time could be webinars, educational courses, and anything that might reside within that niche, potentially leading to someone making a purchase. However, if I start promoting affiliate links to hair oil and makeup products, it might still work out, but certainly won't attract many sales since much of my audience is based within the make money online niche. Plus, I don't even have hair. Now, depending on the affiliate program type, you can expect to make anywhere between 5% to even 50% commission per sale. To translate this into simpler terms, let's say that an affiliate campaign promoting a $100 product is paying you a 50% commission per sale. So if you manage to bag 20 sales through your affiliate link, your payout will be an easy $1,000 for the month. Now imagine generating 20 sales per week. However, one of the biggest obstacles that come between a beginner affiliate's journey is the long list of requirements to be approved for an affiliate program. But no need to worry, as I've got you covered with these 3 affiliate programs that call for minimal approval requirements, starting with number 1, ClickBank.com. If you aren't already familiar with ClickBank, it is probably one of the most popular and oldest affiliate networks out there, as its launch dates back to 1999. Till now, the affiliate network has paid over $5.5 billion in commissions and boasts more than 100,000 active affiliates around the world. Besides that, you also won't have to worry about the limitation of offers here, since the marketplace features a diverse array of 4,000 plus digital and physical products in every conceivable niche for affiliates to promote. Although there isn't a set commission rate, ClickBank affiliates can expect to make anywhere between $15 to $50 per sale, which compared to the industry's average is certainly on the higher side of the spectrum. To add, joining ClickBank is completely free for everyone, and if you're new to the world of affiliate marketing, they even have specialized courses and a support team ready to help guide you out of every problem. Lastly, there are no requirements whatsoever to be an affiliate. Number 2, Warrior Plus. Warrior Plus is certainly up there with the top affiliate networks in the industry. This network is mostly centered around the make money online niche and has an array of online courses and software to promote. Going by the motto, "Your profit is our business," Warrior Plus runs on a PPS or pay per sale model, which, as the term suggests, that affiliates generate revenue depending on the sales they contribute. The network is also popular for its incredible tracking and analytic capabilities, which allows affiliates to optimize their promotional strategies for the better. Even the affiliate offers display a variety of stats like their launch date, conversion rate, number of sales, visitor value, and refund rates to assist affiliates with finding a suitable offer. Talking about the commission rates, they depend a lot on the type of offer, starting with 50% on the lower end and going up to 100% on the higher end. However, there is one huge disadvantage of Warrior Plus, which is that the network, despite being 16 years of age, still isn't well versed in keeping scammers and fishy products at bay. So be sure to do your due diligence when selecting a product to sell as an affiliate. If you want a step-by-step course that walks you through how to pick up and promote a product on Warrior Plus, be sure to check out the link in the description. Number 3. Amazon Associates. The Amazon Associates program doesn't even call for an introduction, since it is probably the first thing that would pop up in somebody's mind upon hearing the word affiliate marketing. Although Amazon is a little strict with approvals, there's no need to sweat it too much since they do welcome newbies. You'll need to submit an application mentioning your website or social media account, the sources of traffic, and how much you're generating it before getting approved as an associate. Seems like quite a bit of work to get started. Is it even worth it? Well, yes and no. If you're thinking Amazon is a multi-billion-dollar company that has to pay you something crazy like a 102% commission rate, well, you're certainly in for disappointment. Right now, sales of Amazon games have the highest commission payout rate at a cool 20%, which isn't even the most generous figure in the world of affiliate marketing. But where Amazon's affiliate program shines are the aspects like conversion rates, range of products to promote, optimization, and a globally scalable opportunity for affiliates, which easily makes you forget about the low commission rates. Well, now that we are coming to an end, here are a few affiliate marketing tips for you as a bonus. Number 1, as mentioned before, try your best to only promote a brand, company, or product relevant to you and your audience. It's common sense that an audience of a marketing blog won't be interested in hair care and beauty brands. Thereby, trying to sneakily incorporate affiliate links within the content won't work most of the time and will appear to be quite irrelevant there. Number 2, make sure that your first intention is to help and not to sell. If you prioritize selling, it will be obvious to the audience and you'll soon end up losing credibility in their eyes. So, your attention with incorporating affiliate links should always be to guide people toward the brands or companies that you first believed in and later partnered up with. Number 3, stemming straight from number 2, please do not stuff affiliate ads everywhere. Although it might be tempting to spam a lot of affiliate links after every single line or paragraph of your content, hoping that just someone clicks on them and makes a purchase, this is not how you build long-lasting trust with your audience. Number 4, use the analytics and dashboard to your advantage. One of the biggest benefits of affiliate marketing is that aside from making a commission for every sale that you bring in, it wins you data as well. Once you see that your affiliate campaign is starting to heat up, analyze the data you collect from the audience that interacted. This way you can taper and mold your affiliate strategy to target the right set of potential customers, in turn increasing the chances to make even more sales. Anyways, enough serious talk for today. Like always, it's time to lighten things up with a quick joke. So, why did the ghost affiliate strategy fail? Because everyone could see right through it. Get it? Well, you shouldn't just take this as a joke because it could be a sign for you to level up your marketing knowledge by subscribing to this channel and put what you learned into action. But anyways, that is all for today, guys, and I will see you in the next one soon.